Alile don carry Waka go meet Ikpoba Okha APC leaders to declare him intention for House of Reps come 2023. Honorable Pius Alile, him wife Dr. Mary Alile and other personalities Waka enter the APC Ikpoba Okha local government secretariat to formally informate the leaders and members for the party, saying he wan represent the constituency for House of Representatives and to empower some indigenes of the constituency to help their businesses. Alile come yarn small tori about himself and the people wey don dey before am.
Permit me to give you a little brief of history about myself and a little bit of what I have done as a private citizen and as somebody that have been elected and staying in a public office before. My name is Honorable Pius Alile. I was born 52 years ago in a local government, and to be precise, in Uselu. I grew up in Uselu and I attended Okha Primary School. From there, I proceeded to attending Alile College. I attended Alile College, Benin City. And when I finished Alile College, I went to University of Benin, where I marked diploma in social work. And as immediately I finished that, I went into law through direct entry program, and I read up to 500 level when I eventually went abroad. I left the shore of Nigeria around the year 2002. And when I got to abroad, I also decided to pick up a program. And I picked up another degree program in Malmö University, Sweden, where I bagged a degree in social sciences. I did not stop there. I proceeded to Australia, in Melbourne. There is a university called Lathrop University in Melbourne, where I bagged my master's degree in social sciences. I am sound, I am very, very intellectually and mentally okay. I can represent you anywhere. I understand English. I have the right content. I will not disappoint you. I will not disgrace you. I will not go to the National Assembly and not understand what they are saying. And I keep saying every day, I keep saying every day that if you don't have the intellectual capacity, you may not be able to compete favorably with your colleagues at the upper chamber. That is why it is imperative that we elect those that have the right mental capacity and intellectual capacity to represent the people. I was elected a councillor in 1999 in a local government council, where I performed brilliantly. And I say it and I repeat it again, that since 2002, no councillor elected in my ward have beat my record. I want to also say this, that even as a private citizen, I have done as much as I can, using my resources to work for communities, to give scholarship, to give empowerment to women, and to also create roads and put boreholes in various communities as a private citizen. I am the president of Honorable Pius Alile Coalition Initiative. This is the initiative program that I use in reaching out to communities. If you go to Waka Street, that is not far from here, you will see my borehole there. If you go to St. Savior, you will also see my borehole there. And this is what we have done with our money, as a private citizen. We have empowered a lot of women. We have created so many roads. I am here today not only to flag up my campaign here in this local government, I am also here to empower 27 individuals from this local government.
The leaders of the party come wish am well and pray for am.
Spoken to us. We put it on the table, we analyze it. You are welcome. God bless you.
Mary Alile come appreciate the APC Ikpoba Okha leaders wey dem take give them ogbonge welcome and assure them say she and her husband go dey loyal to the welfare of the people.
The reason why we come here, first of all, now to come tell LGA, Ikpoba LGA, say we get an aspiration, say we want to go for a House of Representatives to go and represent Ego and Ikpoba Federal Constituency. But we can still look and say, not just good, may we come talk. May we look, there must be people that we are able, that when we say we fit support, when we say we feel help, women full everywhere. Sometimes when you see them, they sell, I don't know what they sell, pure water, bobozi, I don't know, bole, all these things, all these ones, now small money. So we must be able to have passion. We, myself and my husband, we get passion for women. We get passion for the girl child. We get passion for men when we say they not reach them, so that we will feel support them. When we support them, they will support their family, they will support their children, they will support their wives. So that even though they are small, they fit take manage, they will still fit see it, and they will still belly full. That is our mission, and that one now they go. And I want to congratulate the people when they bring the name. Not be we carry the name, come now they can't carry the name. Say see people when be say we sure say this one I qualify for the money. We don't know them. Now we give them the money. And these women, as you see today, they were very happy. The men, they were very happy. So now that one we want to do, and we want also use this medium to reach everybody when they Nigeria. Now the person when get money now they give. Now person when get passion when be say he won't help another person now if they give. So make una try, make everybody try. If one do you want do for here, one do for here, it go reach everybody hand.
Pius Alile wey and Tori people come talk say him mind dey cool, say him go get the help of him constituents.
They know me very well. My name is a household name in Ikpoba. They know my antecedents. I am not just coming. They've already known me. So they have me in their mind. And by the grace of God, I know they will be guided appropriately. I have no fear at all. I've been with them for a very long time. I have identified with their needs very well. And they've identified with me as well. So I have no doubt at all that Ikpoba is with me.
The Ogbonge people will welcome them na the APC Ikpoba chairman, the women leader, women group, and other members for the party. Ebo Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.